This is section 5.2, and we're dealing with now negative exponents. So let me go over a couple of things. So a is not equal to 0. And as a matter of fact, let's let a be greater than 0 for our purposes. A is greater than 0. Keep it pretty simple. So a to the negative n, if we can rewrite this with a positive exponent if we change positions. Right now it's in the numerator. We'll put that base in the denominator and change the sign, and that's all there is to it. You only have two signs, positive and negative, and you only have two positions, numerator or denominator. So if you change the sign on the exponent, you must change the position of the base. Also, a to the 0 power is 1. Anything to the 0 power except 0 is 1. Now, with that said, we've got this equals 7 times 2. There's the 2. M times m cubed and n to the negative 4 times n to the 9th, which equals 7 times 2 is 14. M times m cubed is, well, it's m to the 1 plus 3. There's an exponent here of 1, and we will never show it. It's understood. 1 is understood. And n to the negative 4 plus 9. And that equals 14, excuse me. M to the 1 plus 3 is 4. N to the negative 4 plus 9 is 5. And we're done with that one. Now we have another. Oh boy, we've got a double 2 here. Let's cross one of those 2's out. There we go, question 2. So we have 8 u to the 4th, and notice u plus v in parentheses raised to the 0 power is just 1. And 1 times 8u to the 4th is 8u to the 4th, and we're done. But I have 2 more of these to do. So, here they are. Now this equals 7m to the 5th over, and that's the same, 21 as 3 times 7. And we're going to do this a little different. I've got this m to the 7th n. And so that equals, and by the way, the 7's here divide out. And we'll put a 1 upstairs because I'm going to move this m to the 5th downstairs. But we have that 3 right there. And that's going to be m to the negative 5. Notice I just changed the sign because I changed the position. Put it downstairs. M to the 7th n, which equals 1 over 3. And will you agree I'm going to do a side work here? 1 over m to the negative 5 times m to the 7th equals 1 over m to the negative 5 plus 7, which equals 1 over m squared. I was running out of room, so I had to do some side work here. Nevertheless, so the product of these two is going to be m squared, because negative 5 plus 7 is 2. And nothing's going on with that n. That's all there is to it, and we're done with this guy. Hope you'll excuse the side work. Now, we have, oh yes, one more rule we must go over. If you have a to the m raised to the nth power, that equals a to the m times n. Notice you multiply the exponents when you have this phenomena. You do not add the exponents in this case. So here we go. So we have x to the 5th cubed over 6y squared, which equals, now according to this rule, we just multiply the exponents, x to the 15th over 6y squared. We have no other like terms. We're done. So please review those because we will need those techniques frequently.